Peace and love, everyone. This is Sister Iman. I am dropping another video. In this video, Malawi, which is located in Africa, they had a flash flood and it destroyed a lot of houses in that town by the Nasolo River. It banks had broke and it really flooded out their whole town. Their houses were swept away. There were a couple of people that was injured. 32 people were displaced. Um, Authorities said the flash floods were aggravated by careless disposal of waste by communities plying their trade and residing along the Nasolo River. They blame deforestation, which trees has been cut down and nature is fighting back as trees getting washed away by floods. So it was a big flash flood over in Malawi. Tell me what you think and leave a comment. What I'm going to do, I'm going to post the link to the article under the video title. I'm going to close it out. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.